Today I'm going to show you how to make fresh pandan juice. You need 10 pandan leaves, thawed or fresh, and 150 ml of water. And yep, you only need 2 ingredients. Let's start. I'm using Magic Bullet here, but you can definitely use a regular blender. It will work just fine. Fold the pandan leaves into smaller size and fit it into Magic Bullet or blender. Pour the water in, close the lid, and we can start to blend it up. Blend everything up until all the pandan leaves have become fine in texture. Mine takes about 1 to 2 minutes really. Sift the blended pandan juice into a clean empty bowl. Use a spoon to push the remaining water in the pulp so that we can get all the goodness in the bowl. You can use this pandan juice in a variety of things, in which I will show you in the next video, so stay tuned for that.